welcome to my channel, Air Fryer Recipes 101. Now I know it's been a hot minute since I've been here. I've had so much going on with COVID, hit the family and the holidays, but I'm back. And if you came over here from my other channel, The Baking Diva, welcome. And if not, well, I'm so happy to see you. And my name is Dolores, and this is my channel. And I have two air fryers, two Ninjas. I have this one with the round single basket, and I don't think you can see it, but behind me is a Ninja I got for Christmas with the double baskets. So I'll be alternating and making things for you in each one. And this is 101, so it's for new air fryers, those of you that are thinking of getting an air fryer. Maybe you have one sitting on your kitchen shelf and you haven't used it yet. So these are going to be a series of very simple recipes. So what do you say we get started? And if you haven't already subscribed, go down and hit that red subscribe and the little gray bell next to it, and that's it. And if you want to know more about the air fryer, go back to my first video. And this is where I explain the entire air fryer to you and how it works. So anyway, today we have a major snowstorm outside. Yep. And the guys were all outside with the snowblower and the shovels. They got most of it done. So they're all in here taking a break and they're hungry. So we're having like a mishmash of things. So today, for an appetizer, I'm going to make Trader Joe's fried ravioli in the air fryer. We're going to have it as an appetizer. You're going to dip them in a little marinara sauce. So easy to make. So here's my Ninja air fryer. It's the one with the round basket. Okay. So sometimes you have to preheat your air fryer, sometimes you don't. I usually don't, so I'm not going to preheat it today. I put, as you can see, my fried raviolis in my basket. Single layer now, don't double them up. I'm going to put this on air fry. I'll turn it on. I'll put it on air fry. The temperature for these is going to be 400 degrees. And I am going to set this on 10 minutes. And I'm going to press start, and we're going to get going on this. If you have your air fryer on your kitchen cabinet, pull it out a little bit. Leave some room in the back because the fan is in the back, and you want to give the fan some room because it will blow the air out. And some certain foods, we take the basket out in the middle of cooking and we shake it a little bit. We might have to turn something over. I don't think we have to do it with these fried raviolis, but I may do it halfway through anyway just to check it. So simple, easy. Let me hit the start button. 10 minutes, 400 degrees. Here we go. And you'll see here, it's the timer that counts down. So, as soon as these things hit, well, I'm going to say about 6 or 7 minutes, I'm going to just take the basket out. It doesn't interfere with anything. There even is a pause button on there. I'm going to take a look at them. I don't think I'll need to shake these around, but certain things I do, like if I'm making fries, other foods, I might shake the basket around a little and put it back in. So, I'll be back in a few and show you how these fried raviolis came out. So delicious. Okay, as you can see, the timer's going down. It's up to 32, 31, 30. As soon as it hits 0, it'll stop air frying. You'll hear a beep, and we'll take the basket out and see how these yummy fried raviolis came out. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Woo! Exciting! Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is. So let me slide out the basket. The basket comes out nice and easy. I'm going to take my tongs here and I'm going to put these on a plate. Oh yes, they are, look at these. they are fried nice and crispy with that filling inside. Oh my goodness, perfect. Couldn't have come out better any other way. And plus, these are healthier for you. You don't have to sit them in that oil, drown them in oil, which isn't good. This is a much healthier way of eating. So, let me move this basket over. Here you go. If you can see them, look at these. I have them all on the plate here. They're very hot. And I heated up a little marinara sauce here in a dish. So I want to taste these. I'm going to dip them in a little marinara sauce. And we're going to do a taste testing. So don't go away. I want to go get myself a napkin. Okay, it's taste testing time. I think they're still pretty hot, but we'll see. Look at that. Yummy. Oh my goodness. Did you hear that crunch? Nice and crunchy. A little bit of that cheese inside. Dipped them in the marinara sauce. They're so good. So I'll put the instructions down below. But this is how you cook the Trader Joe's frozen, and these are from Frozen, fried raviolis. 400 degrees for 10 minutes in your air fryer. So thank you for stopping by. I'll be making hamburgers for everyone next for lunch. They are going to be Bubba Burgers. So make sure you stay tuned for the next video. So thanks for stopping by. I appreciate your support. Love you all, and I'll see you soon. Toodles!